Practice 50 everyday sentences useful for learning. 1. Can you explain this to me? 2. I didn't understand that part. 3. What does this mean? 4. Can you give me an example? 5. How does this work? 6. Could you repeat that, please? 7. I need to practice more. 8. Is this answer correct? 9. Can you help me with this problem? 10. I'm not sure how to do this. 11. Can you clarify this point? 12. What's the easiest way to learn this? 13. Am I on the right track? 14. How do I improve in this area? 15. Where can I find more examples? 16. Can you show me step by step? 17. Why is this concept important? 18. What should I focus on first? 19. How do I apply this to real-life situations? 20. Could you break this down for me? 21. This is difficult to understand. 22. I'll need to review this again. 23. I don't remember how to do this. 24. I need more time to solve this. 25. I keep making the same mistake. 26. Can you suggest a better approach? 27. This seems confusing at first. 28. I'll try another example. 29. I'm struggling to keep up. 30. Can you simplify this explanation? 31. I think I've got it now. 32. This makes more sense after practicing. 33. I finally understand the concept. 34. This method works well for me. 35. Practice really helps me improve. 36. I'm starting to feel more confident. 37. I made fewer mistakes this time. 38. I've learned something new today. 39. This subject is getting easier for me. 40. Repeating the process helps me understand. 41. What resources can I use to learn this? 42. Should I focus on theory or practice first? 43. How can I manage my learning time better? 44. What's the most important thing to remember? 45. Is there an easier way to solve this? 46. How do I check if my answer is correct? 47. Can you point out where I went wrong? 48. Should I take more detailed notes? 49. How can I test my understanding? 50. What should I do next to improve?